This Python 1. This project was inspired by a trivia game. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned about random numbers and while loops, which I used in my project. Number 1, random numbers. Number 2, while random numbers list. Random num equals random dot randit 0, comma len questions. Question. What is 1 plus 1? Who is the current president? Who is IShowSpeed? How you make Monet? Who is CR7? What is R9? My favorite part about working on this project was writing the answers and questions list. How to improve my project. If I were to continue to work on this project, I would add more questions. Thank you. Add more questions and add categories, limit the number of tries. Thank you.